Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet stroker engine for our customer's 1966 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with the 4-bolt main heavy-duty block, one-piece rear main seal, roller camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new balancer, proper oil pan for the C10 truck. You have the aluminum heads on there. These real nice Chevrolet script gray valve covers with a matching air cleaner with a washable air filter element. You have the aluminum intake manifold on there. The thermostat housing with the extra coolant ports for extra sensors if needed. Thermostats in there. Quick fuel carburetors on there. All set. Throttle return spring and bracket. We got the MSD coil. Small cap distributor, that's real important for the C10 truck for the firewall clearance. That's on there. Taylor ignition wires, American made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Proper flex plate for the customers running a 700 R4 trans. So it's the proper tooth count and balance. High torque mini starters installed, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the high flow fuel pump, all the fuel lines, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter. All the fittings are installed right up to the carburetor, all set. We have this real nice chrome serpentine Raptor kit on here, pulley kit. AC compressors installed, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. We have the self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, which is nice. We have the aluminum water pump, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup. The GM Saginaw power steering pump. Make it real easy for all the fittings to hook up. Every engine is live run for over an hour at the engine factory. The complete engine is dialed in and tuned. Carburetor is fully adjusted. Timing is set. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. All the readings. Manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Engine is drop-in, turnkey ready to go. So there you have it, our 383 450 horse turnkey Chevrolet engine from Engine Factory. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.